Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to disable background apps on Android. If you are using an Android phone and you want to disable or turn off background apps, so let's see how can you do this. First, you just have to open your phone settings and here just scroll down and look for About Phone, and here you will get the system software information. Just select it and here you will get the build number. You just have to touch or tap on it almost 7 times until your developer option will be turned on. You just have to tap on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here you can see you just have to enter your pin, just enter it, and here your now developer option has been enabled. You just have to go back, look for system or system management, select it. Here you will get developer options, select it. In developer options, look for background process limit. Just scroll down and look for the settings, and here's the setting which we are looking for. Just tap on it and here select no background processes. Now your app might run in background, but they cannot process in background. So that's how you can easily disable background apps on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.